In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw bonus money from 1xBet. It will be simple to do. You will come first on your menu. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. Then from here, you will just click on your wallet. By clicking on it now, you can see 3 types of account. By seeing the main account here, it will be where you are depositing your money plus the money of bonuses that you have gathered by playing the free games. Now you can see also add account, where you can add another account. You can name it bonus account too if you like. So now what are you going to do? You will just be playing 3 matches so that it should be effective. Firstly, you will come to your popular, you will select type of matches that you want to play in any sport that you like. For example, if I should take the Ligue 1, I will click on it. Now you will just place your bet by choosing the option that fits best for you. For example, if I should take like double chance, and by putting 1x, I will just click on it. You can see now that a small table will appear. Now you will just put your amount of money from here, and now you will click on bet. You will be doing the same things with 3 other matches, or you can also put or click on add to bet slip, as it will be add in a bet slip, as you will analyze it or see it here, so as to add again other matches of your choice, so that those matches can enter to the bet slip by making a combination. Now by coming back again, when you are sure that you will be winning, the money now will be deposited or will be put in your wallet. Now you will see that the main account will be now filled with the money that you have been winning on your 3 matches, and you can again still, if you like again, you can come to 1xGames so as to play the bonus, and by increasing again your amount of money, thereby now removing the money at the withdrawal funds, and it is as simple as that.